it's Nicola here. So today we have our lip service project pan update. I have all my little lippies in here. So I thought I would give you an update. So we are supposed to do this every month. However, for me, I'm going to do it sort of every other month because then I've got more progress to show you, because I'm quite slow at using up lip products because I don't wear makeup every day, and I do like to try and use other products as well, so sometimes I don't always use my product pan products. So yeah, these videos might go up every other month rather than every month, but it is a year-long project pan and it is one set up by the Pantastic Ladies. So the aim for this is to focus solely on lip products and to get them used up and out of your collection by the end of the year. It is, as I say, a year-long project pan. So the first one I have to show you, the first one I have to show you is my L'Oreal in Sepia Silk. I love this lipstick. It is one of my favourite lipsticks. And yeah, this is my oldest lipstick in my collection. So it is definitely one that I do really want to get out of my collection. And just to show you the progress here, that is the progress that I've made. I originally started by doing a line straight across, but I did notice that some of mine tend to move more like that. So instead of it, because of the way I use my lipsticks, sometimes you'll get more shift at the lower end. Do you know what I mean? You know what I mean, don't you? So this tip might stay the same height, but this end is slightly shifting further down, just because of the way that I use them. So I figured instead of going straight across on my line, I would actually show the gradient. So that is how much I've used. But as you can see, there is a little bit of use. There's about 2 millimeters or so down from the original starting mark. I know I've definitely had use from this because the word L'Oreal was imprinted here on the front of the lipstick, and that has now disappeared. So I know just from that alone that there has been some progress on this. I absolutely love this lipstick. It's quite a sheer shade. Give you a swatch. Ignore the other swatch that's on my hand. I can't get it off from an earlier video. So it is a real sheer shade, but yeah, ignore that silver one. It won't come off. I need a wet wipe and I haven't got one with me. So yeah, it's a very sheer shade, but with a nice lip liner underneath, it can turn into a real beautiful shade of lip. The next one is my Makeup Revolution Lip Duo in It's My Life. I've already used up the gloss here because this was in a previous project pan, and that is the lipstick that I have left. I'll give you another swatch. So that is this one. And there's not really been much use on this, about the same as the L'Oreal one. So that is this one here. So as you can see, just about a millimeter or two of worth. So yeah, getting a bit of use out of that one. The next one is my Benefit Double the Lip lipstick. This one was a sample that I got in Birchbox last year, and I only have this much left. This is in the shade Pink Thrills, and you've got the lip colour this side and then the lip liner this side, and it's meant to line your lips at the same time as applying your lipstick. A lot of people didn't get these products. I like this product. I think it gives you a gorgeous like ombre look to your lips. I don't generally like it as a liner around my lips because I don't like that very stark line between the two colours. So when I apply this on my lips, I then rub my lips together and then make it more of an ombre, so the edge of my lips is darker, but then it fades more into the, oh, pardon me, it fades into the lighter pink, so it's more of an ombre kind of lip on me. So yeah, I really do like them, and I recently found a full-size one of these in TK Maxx that was in the Dusty Rose or Lusty Rose shade. So I snapped it up, and yeah, I love it. So this one is a little bit bright for me, so I think I'll wear this more in the summer rather than the winter. It just seems a more summery kind of pink to me rather than a wintry type of pink. But yeah, so the progress on that one is not much. As you can see, not much progress at all. I've only really, like, when I bought the Lusty Rose one, I did swatch that one next to it. So that's the only time I've actually really used that in the last 2 months, because as I say, it's more of a summer look for me rather than a winter look. The next one is a Burts Bees lip crayon. This is in the shade Niagara Overlook. I love this for just throwing in my bag and wearing when I'm out shopping. This is like one of those that I just throw into my bag and then throw on my lips while we're out shopping and things, because it's literally my lip colour but better, so, or glossier. So yeah, I really enjoy using that one for that. But because it's in my handbag and I'm not using it very often, this is the progress that I've had on that one. So there it is. Not much, but as I say, it's in my handbag, so it's only really getting used when I'm going out shopping, which isn't very often. So yeah, that is that one. The next one that I have is my LOreal lip crayon or lip pencil in the shade Big Apple. As you can see, a lot of the writing has now rubbed off on this, and this is, well, it's a lot shorter than when it began, put it that way. I actually fell in love with this through December and I think January. I think I got a lot of use out of this for December and January. I really fell in love with this. When I first tried this months and months ago, because I got this in a Birch box or a glossy box or something like that, and I first tried it, it was very dry, very matte, and I like to rub my lips together. I do that pretty much all day, every day. It's not good for you, but that is a habit that I tend to have. I can't do that when this is on my lips because it's so dry. My lips actually, they don't stick together, but there's just no friction there at all. Well, there is friction. There's no softness there. So this is really matte and dry on your lips. So at first I didn't like it, but I did kind of fall in love with it over December and January. So the this one has got a hell of a lot of use, because every time I used it, I had to sharpen it because the nub is quite soft. So that thing is quite soft. I'll give you a swatch. So that is it there. It looks a bit patchy, but honestly on your lips it's not. But yeah, it's a beautiful shade, and this one has had the most progress on, because as I say, I was using it throughout December and January, and that is the progress that I've had there. So it's a good centimetres worth of use. So I'm really happy with that one, and I think that one is definitely going to be finished by the end of the year. The next one is what is on my lips today, and it is my Makeup Revolution in Worth It. This is one of their metallic liquid lipsticks. They do not go matte. They stay nice and creamy, but they have like a metallic finish, so you can see. I love this. I love you. I love this shade. I love this colour. I love the texture on my lips. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't go gloopy. I just love this. You can't see any progress at the moment. I'm seeing a bit of settling round about here, but I don't know if that's just, I don't know, a little bit of, I don't know, settling or what. I don't know. But yeah, I'm not seeing much progress in this, but I will continue to use it. This is in my current monthly makeup basket for March, so I'm getting a lot of use out of it this month. So there is that, but difficult to see progress. The next one is a lip gloss, because I want to get my lip glosses moved up and out of my collection because I don't use them very often. And this is the Makeup Revolution one. It doesn't have a shade name, and as you can see, I've not used it. What a surprise! Yeah, I've not used this. I haven't put this in my makeup basket. I think I'm going to leave this more towards the summer because it is a very light sort of, it's a clear base despite it looking pink in the tube. It is actually a clear base with a tint of pink, but it's more of an iridescent sheen. So I think this will look much better on my lips in the summer. So probably not going to see any progress on this until we hit some sunny weather, and as we're in the middle of Storm Emma at the moment and we've got about 4 inches of snow outside, there's absolutely no way this is going on my lips at the moment. So yeah, 4 inches of snow. The world has come to a stop here in the UK because schools are closed, the shops are closed. Even when I was looking online, I think it was Superdrug or Tan Beauty or something, they came up a notice, due to severe weather conditions, any orders placed today may be delayed in being sent out due, you know, so please be aware. So yeah, England and the UK have come to a standstill because of 4 inches of snow. There are some places in the world that are laughing at us right now, but anyway. So I did mention that I don't use glosses very often. However, the next product is a lip gloss and I've kind of fallen in love with it. And it is my Hoola lip gloss. And I don't know if you can see, but I have used up quite a bit. So I am down to here. So I have used up a good, like that much of this Hoola lip gloss. This lip gloss is different. It's not sticky. It's not gloopy. My hair doesn't get stuck to it. And it tastes and smells really nice. Now, granted, I'm not licking this thing off my lips, but every now and again, you know, it's on your lips, so you're going to have a slight taste to it. And it tastes nice, so it's not too bad. I mean, I'm not eating it, but you know what I mean. But yeah, I've really enjoyed applying this on my lips. So this has been sat on my side table where, you know, I sit and watch TV, and I just apply this every few hours or so. So yeah, I've really been enjoying this, and hence why I am down to here now on this. So yeah, quite happy with that. Okay, and the last 4 products that are in this lip service are these 4 little samples. So we have, these are Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick samples. We have Crimson, which is like a deep red. We have Big Bang, which is like a shimmery pink, fuchsia pink. We have WSM, which is like a deep mauve. And then we have Purgatory, which is like a deep mauve shimmery shade. So still haven't used any of these. I'll get to it. Eventually I will get to it. I was thinking of applying this one on today, but I decided against it. So that was it. That was all my lip service project pan update. As I say, I'm not going to be doing the updates every month like the other ladies in the Pantastic Ladies group. I will link the playlist of their videos down below for you. Excuse me. Because I just don't go through my lip products so quickly. So I don't want to be doing videos where there's no progress and no progress and no progress. I want to be able to say, there's progress, here it is, and then show you, because I find watching videos where there's no progress kind of boring. So I'm not going to be filming those kind of videos myself. So yeah, that was my lip service project pan update for you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.